I restart an important project that allow us and all the academic and not only communities to develop new competencies in order to match the new challenges of the agri-food system. In order to match the request of a society driven by knowledge and that can favor the development of all the society, the economical and societal growth, we need to comply with the two main aspects. The first is to promote the knowledge transfer based on the advancement of the science and of the technology. In this respect, in these last years, we have seen the advancement of the digital skills from one side, the digitalization of the technology on the other side, but also the request of matching better the responsible development of our society, taking into account the green approaches and the sustainability ones. The second aspect is to develop a human capital with the skills and the capabilities that can help the overall agri-food system to match the challenges that the food system is facing these last decades. From this point of view, we need the possibility to upgrade, to upskill the workforce from one side, and this means that we need, on the other side, having available tools and methodologies that can support the higher education from one side and the training provider on the other side to develop the new capabilities of the future generation of the agri-food employees. In this respect, iRestart has been working for for 4 years in initially identifying the skills needs in 3 main particular sectors, the food ones, the animal production and the veterinary ones, and in the second phase, new professional profiles intended as specialization of existing professions with the skills able to match the new trend and the new needs of the job market were developed and identified. 10 professional profiles has been developed, and this means that we needed, and in order to provide and favor the development of these professional profiles, training material was developed. Actually, the areas in which the professional profiles that were developed and then the disciplinary areas and the topics were taken into account were very diversified, taking into account also the aspects on digitalization and entrepreneurship on the other side. Just to mention some of them, in the animal production, we have the data-driven animal production manager that needed and was supported with the development also of training material with dealing with the new technological advancements in terms of data management, machine learning, and so on. In the food industry sector, innovation, traceability, and packaging were the 3 main areas taken into account, with training material that was developed for experts in the future for new product development, blockchain, and why not, also eco-packaging designer. Last but not least, the veterinary sector, in which the main focus was the One Health, in which, the veterinary, the animal production and the veterinary sector is more involved in these last years in order to provide well-being and healthy life for our whole society.